Before you decide to buy another pair of night driving glasses based on flashy ads and exaggerated claims, watch this honest review of the Surpora GlareGuard to see what this product really offers and whether Surpora.com is trustworthy or not. Because the internet is full of products that look good on paper but fail in real use. The Surpora GlareGuard night driving glasses are marketed as a solution that can reduce glare, improve clarity, and make night driving safer and more comfortable. But in this review, I break down what you should realistically expect versus what is actually delivered. First, in terms of glare reduction, the glasses do seem to lessen the intensity of headlights and streetlights to a certain extent, but the effect is subtle rather than dramatic. And it may not be enough for people who struggle significantly with night vision issues. The lens quality is decent for the price range, but it does not feel premium, and the overall build could be sturdier, which raises questions about long-term durability. Comfort-wise, the glasses are lightweight and easy to wear for short trips, but for longer drives, some users might experience slight pressure around the temples. The website Surpora.com uses persuasive marketing tactics and discount claims that are typical of many trending online products, which does not automatically make it a scam. But it does mean buyers need to be cautious and manage expectations. In terms of real-world performance, these glasses might help moderately, but they are not a miracle solution that transforms night driving into a completely glare-free experience. So, if you are considering the Surpora GlareGuard, understand that it offers some benefit but also has limitations, and whether it is worth it depends on your personal needs and tolerance for modest performance. This review aims to give you a balanced perspective so you can make an informed decision in 2025.